How to fix deleted contacts still appearing on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your phone and search for WhatsApp icon. Hold on to the WhatsApp icon and click on App Info at the top. After you click on App Info at the top, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on Storage and Cache. After you click on Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache. After you click on Clear Cache, open WhatsApp and see if contact is still there. If you see the contact, click on their chat and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find different options. Click on Block again. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix deleted contacts still appearing on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.